Hi, this is Brent from tradeguild.blogspot.com. It's very early in the morning, April 3rd. It's been a while since I did a video, so I've had some things going on in my life personally that have taken up some time, but hopefully we're going to get back on track here. I figured I'd start this series of videos out with some new indicators that I'm using on Telechart. Telechart gives you the ability to write your own indicators, custom cumulative, custom indicator, price channel, percent true, and then you can get into their tools for the blocks player, which was formerly Snapsheets, and that thing is just unbelievable. All kinds of things you can do, plotting fundamentals, and their back scanners, just awesome, awesome. So anyway, I'm going to get into some of the indicators that I've been writing and using. If you haven't tried Telechart, you can go to our site, tradeguild.blogspot.com. We have some links there, and if you want to take a 30-day free trial or whatever, you can try it from our site. We appreciate you using our links. We get credit. We're an affiliate. Doesn't cost you anything more, and I'll be glad to share some of these custom indicators with you. So I think first of all, let's just look at the cues real quick. Couple things, notable little things here. We're just going to look at the basic chart. I think we had kind of like a little double top over here in January to February. That breakdown, we all remember that on big heavy volume. And we got, looks like kind of like a classic tweezer bottom here. There's that one tweezer, there's the other tweezer. And we got a little rally, but that rally occurred on some declining volume. Failed at this gap. These gaps are very potent support or resistance. And it almost looks like a little bull flag in here. So we're also seeing some support now kicking in at these previous highs. So I think there's a chance that it rallies up a little bit more. Does it defeat that gap up there? I don't know. Personally, I don't think so. But I'm a perma bear. So if we take a look at 3C real quick, you can see this thing it called this top over here with this negative divergence. It also called this little rally over here with a little positive divergence on this fall. But you can see it also showed that this rally just didn't go very far. Let's take a look at some shorter time frames on this 3C. We'll take a look at the 5-minute here, and this is kind of interesting, this 5-minute, because what we have as price was declining over here, 3C put in a positive divergence right there, boom, and there's that little rally that was spawned from that. Over here you can see 3C failed to move up higher here. That would have indicated probably that price would have gone higher, but it failed to do so. But now, as it has made this this low, that's pretty much in line with this one over here. You can see this nice leading divergence running up. So I think there's a good possibility, and I'll get into this indicator later, but I think there's a good possibility that it makes another little attempt at a rally here, but where that goes, I don't know. One of the indicators that I like to have set up is a linear regression channel. This is a 100 period, and this is kind of a classic short setup when you have a stock chugging along in this channel, and then it breaks down on heavy volume, rallies back up on light volume into that channel, and they call that kissing the channel goodbye, a little smooch there, and generally they plummet down. So will that happen here? Maybe we make one more attempt and kiss that channel. We'll see. But anyway, if you're using Telechart, this is a really cool thing to use, this linear regression channel. So let's see, what else do we have here? Let's take a look at money stream real quick. This is a accumulation distribution money flow type indicator, and you can see just real bad divergence in here again, and it's just broken down way below its moving average over here. So I don't see anything really good in the future for the Qs, going a couple of months out. If you heard that noise, that's my aquarium chiller that just kicked on, so I hope it's not too loud there. Anyway, let's take a look at some of these new indicators that I've been working on so diligently. Up in the top here is 3C. That's my personal indicator. I pretty much keep that for myself. But I have this new one that I've been working on. I'm I don't know what I'm going to call it, but I have a green and a red. It's percent true, custom percent true, and basically what it is some elements that I think um, set up a good rally. So I put all these elements in, and if they all occur at the same time, we get one of these little spikes here. So as you can see on the cues, we got a little spike here in September. It didn't catch the beginning of the rally. That's okay. It caught a good portion of it there. Let's take a look at a couple different stocks. I want to show you RBY. This is a stock I've been in for some time. It actually had a pretty good day today, up almost 13%. And let's see. Let's take a look out a little bit. We'll zoom out a little bit. You can see this nice buy signal over here in November of 05 that took the stock from 60 cents all the way up here to about $1.60. Real nice gain there. These red guys are gonna. It's not necessarily a sell signal. A stronger one maybe. It's a caution. So you take a look at it. This isn't necessarily a buy signal either, but you know it's saying that basically the environment is favorable. Let's take a closer look over here at what was going on. This is on a daily chart, and you can see we got some buy signals back here on 11/24. Let's see what that signal is worth over there. Okay, so that's a 44% move, not bad. And we had another signal over here, very timely, as a matter of fact, the day before that big rally up, and let's see what that was worth. Let's see here, let me pull this up. Oh, there we go. Well, if we go up to today, that's 102%. So as you can see, it's a pretty nifty little tool there. I'm going to show you a couple other time frames here. Let's take a look at an hourly time frame and see what RBY did in an hourly time frame. And if you use this with other indicators, I'm using it with 3C. As you can see here, 3C had a big positive divergence right here in RBY. And here's a buy signal on that indicator, and here's a caution as it was moving up here. These are signals that are more or less oversold or some other variation of that. Here's another buy signal over in this area, nice little run up there, and there's a buy signal on the action today. You can see this will also work on here's half-hour time frame, a buy signal back here, a caution as it ran up here, another buy signal, made a little run, and you know, here's a neat one, buy signal, and kind of a sell signal up here as it kind of went sideways. And so that's kind of interesting. So RBY, that's not the only stock it works with, by the way. Let's take a look at the hourly on PRW. This is another stock I've been in for a while, and I'm expecting a decent move on that. So there's a buy signal right over here around the 60-cent area, and a caution as it ran up to $1.80. So 300% on that move. That's pretty impressive on that one. Let's take a look at BPG. That's another stock I've been in for a while, and it had a nice move today. And we're going to take a look at a half hour on this one. And here we go on that half hour. There's a buy signal right before that big move up. That took it from roughly 55 cents up to 95 cents. And there's that caution up there as it ran up into that area. Another little buy signal over there. I'm going to show you one more here just to drive the point home. Here's WFR. This is a stock that I was short, and I'm out of it now. And I want to caution you about that one too. We'll get into that. But here's a nice buy signal over here, buy signal over here. That made a nice run, and let's see what that was. From there to that caution is 56% run on that. So as you can see, it's a pretty nifty little tool. It doesn't work on everything. Not every signal is a good signal, but it brings you to your attention. So anyway, what I want to show you really quick, WFR, I thought it was a short here. We're out of time. I'll be back with another video.